Hey, yo, it was behind the wall. Let's put a flash in the scene. Yo, guys, I'm so sad. 2024 Puma man, happened and it was a banger. But yeah, so guys, I thought this year I might have a chance to be also in. But let's see what Puma me on 2024 brought for us. I heard that there's some new slight changes. I wanna see on my own what changes are there. So guys, bear with me. Let's just go and just see what's on. What's the go? What's the cry? Let's watch this. Yo, another thing, shout out to Puma and you know what? Always took in the essays and put them in another level. They have variety of artists inside.